Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you send a fax with iPhone or iPad. So guys, to send a fax with iPhone or iPad, at first you need to go to your app store and install an app. So go to app store and in the bottom right search bar just search for fax.plus. And after searching for it, here you can see the app. Just click on get. After it is installed, just open it. Here you can see sign up with email or sign up with Google. You can sign up with email or Google. Also you can sign up with Apple or SSO. I'm signing in with Google. Continue. By doing this, the sign up process is complete. Now click the bottom sign up. Click on I agree. You can turn on notification or not. I'm going to not now. You can use your contacts or not now. Click on it. Now in the bottom here you can see send fax. Click on it. After that here you can see verify phone. Click on verify phone. And here you can see select country. Just select your country. And you need to just put the phone number here. You need to just put the 6-digit verification code here. Now after that here you can see 2. Just select the number that you want to send the fax. And click the top right done. Here you can see add file or add page. Click on add file and attach a file. You can attach a file from your photos. Here you can see the file has been attached. Now click the top right send. Here you can see done. It will be submitted in 1 minute. So guys, that's how you can send fax with iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.